We've just acquired this Mercedes SLK. It's in lovely condition, taking into consideration its age and mileage. Just an over 81,000 miles. It's a compressor version. As you can see there, it's got the rear park distance control. It's the SLK200 compressor. Drives absolutely fantastic. The roof works absolutely as it should. Full leather interior. It's got the addition of command with sat nav. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. It's great value for money. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.